We had a bunch of old bananas on top of our fridge, and I wanted to use them up just so that they didn't go to waste. Banana bread is predictable, smoothies standard. I wanted to try something different. So I wanted to see if I could turn bananas into caramel. To start, you'll need some very ripe, probably too ripe bananas. Peel them and slice them up into small chunks. Then place them in a pot over low heat and cook, stirring occasionally so that they don't catch on the bottom of the pan. Keep cooking them and stirring, and cooking them some more, and then cooking them some more. The bananas will eventually start to break down, and eventually you're left with dark caramelized bananas. Blend up the mixture until smooth and glossy. You could add some butter if you want a smoother, more traditional caramel texture, but I wanted to leave mine as is. I ate some of this on ice cream the night I filmed this and have since used the rest in yogurt along with some fruit and granola, but there are a ton of ways that you can incorporate this into your everyday desserts. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, and feel free to get in touch with me on Instagram at chefstudio_.